Hi, chat. Welcome to another stream. Ooh, I gave you one free button. You don't get a free button here. What's that? What's up? Clear as fuck. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. How are y'all doing today? Let's see. It is February 3rd of 2021. It's a Wednesday. It's Wednesday, my dudes. And we are here for yet another stream. Oh my god, my hair is getting so long. I can do my perfect emo Anthony impersonation. But anyway, how are y'all doing today? Hopefully things are going well. Let's see, Michaela's first day. Beldots is also here. Good to see you both. Ethan's here. Hello, Ethan. Good to see you. Lucas Itzy, how's it going? I satisfied. Hello. Friend left by the speaker. How you doing? Ethan says, currently overclocking my processor. Hopefully it doesn't blue screen. Oh my. Man, I can't remember the last time I played with overclocking. I feel like it seems less and less necessary with modern hardware, and with built-in variable clock speeds. But I don't know. Who knows what you're doing? Maybe it's useful for you. Yoda Droid, good to see you as well. And Drunk Time Lord, hello. Alpha 5 is out. What's new? I don't know. I don't really care. I feel like there's not anything that super useful in 3.10 yet. Let's see, Python 3.10, what's new? What's new in 3.10? Oh, this has finally been finalized. This is actually in 3.9. But yeah, I guess now that they've killed the pgen parser, and it is now peg forever. Yeah. Postpone evaluations, type alias annotation, yeah. Union operator, yeah. Parameter specification variables. Oh, this is the new call spec stuff, yeah. Better messages in the parser, hey! I was involved in this. Built-in and extension functions that take integer arguments no longer accept decimal fractions and other objects. Cool. No new modules. And then a bunch of other shit that's not super impersonal. Wait, what changed in curses? The extended color functions added in curses. Oh. Wait. More than 256. Extended color support requires... Wait. What is an extended... What is this true color, finally? Or is it not? Change the definition of a color. Oh, this might be cool. Alright, I wanna look into this. End curses 6.1 change log. Well, that's 6.2. Here we go, 6.1. Blah. Release notes. I don't fucking know. Maybe someone else can read that and tell me. Hey, what's up, Neckler? How's it going? Exonity, good to see you. Welcome back. Yeah, I don't know. Not that much. It says, it's a lot easier now. You just download a program and automatically finds the best stable overclock. Oh, that's cool. Hey, what's up, Dead Body? Hello. And Rollers, good to see you with the Pogrammers. Indeed. Peg Chimp, yeah. Future annotations, default is pretty popular. Oh yeah, for sure, that's pretty cool. Hopefully, variadic generics mixed. Yeah, I've been seeing a lot of buzz on the mailing list. I'm actually not familiar with the what it entails, because I have not had a chance to catch up on that. Yoderdroid says, in modules, I like the way the notes say, none yet. Yeah. The server says, can this fix the weird babby color bug? That's what I was hoping slash thinking. But I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. That clip of Tofu licking Juice's toes was weird. What clip are you talking about? Is there a weird clip we have to watch? Juice bonks slash... Oh, that's gonna... Slash clips. Which one is it? This one? Or is it this one? This one? No, it's not this one. This one? Oh no, this is the dream one. It's not that one. Is it this one? Don't stop, what? Why would you say that, Juice? Oh no. Well then. Okay, that's an interesting one. Okay, but anyway, we're gonna get started with the very first thing that I want to do today, which is make my windows... Oh, they're at the same size. Okay. Which is to upgrade Python 3.10, and I think the first thing I'm gonna do is actually disable the documentation build. Because I'm sick of fucking dealing with it. Git log author equals acetyl in Debian. Well, that was weird. Did you see it lag on checkout? It actually did like a little spinny thing. Updating files. I have not seen that before. I guess it makes sense because it goes from like 0 files to bajillions of files. Oh, these are gonna have lots and lots of commits. Maybe it's in the initial commit? Nope, that's gonna be a pain in the ass. Never mind, maybe we won't do that today. Probably gonna be less work to leave the docs in than it is to remove them. Okay, so we start by doing runbooks, import upstream 3.10.0 alpha 5. I think that's how this script works. We'll see. We'll see what happens here. Well, I could unmute, but I'm in my math and logic class. I see. It's called Pragism. Okay, I found it. Varadics, basically, it allows for splatting tuples of types, kind of like var args. Oh, wait, does this mean that I can type star args now? Is that what it does? Is that what it's useful for? Why am I getting a text message? What's text? Oh, my friend texted me. How text him back? Reader. Okay, so this is going to take a long time. So I wanted to show you one thing that I did offline with pre-commit.ci while this runs. Actually, maybe it doesn't take that long. Refresh Ubuntu / Focal. Okay, once this starts building, then we'll work on pre-commit.ci. Look. Ah, god damn it. Oh, deleted by us. Oh, did they delete disutils finally? Wait, deleted by us. I think that means that it was deleted upstream. Because these are always... Because for whatever fucking reason, rebasing always shows backwards. So this is lib distutils command bdist wininst. I think I remember this being gone. Lib distutils command bdist wininst. Okay, it's gone. So we can get around this. So by when it says deleted by us, it actually means deleted by them, which is fucking stupid. I wish Git would fix this, but I don't know whether it's intentional or not. But anyway, git rebase continue. Git rebase skip, I guess. And then we have another conflict. Oh my god. Hey, what's up, Maskabot? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Oh, fuck me. I don't know which side's which. Let's do git checkout. Let's see what this looks like. Git diff ubuntu focal doc library doc test. What? What? So I know what is wrong here. There was like some doc test flags that I got rid of. I guess they're gone now? Oh, I wish I would have looked at this earlier. Okay, I think that's what I want. So we'll just skip that. I know, we'll find out when we build it. No rebase. I gotta do exit 0 now, and then it'll finish this. Okay. Run books, build. Okay, so that should start building, hopefully. But we're gonna ignore that for a second. 46 megabytes per second to have a gigabit line. I have gigabit down. I have like barely passable up. Barely streamable up. Ethan says, would you take a PR to enable PEP 585 but not 604 in PI upgrade? Presumably a flag. Sorry, I keep asking for features, but I decided I don't like the way some type or none equals none looks. No. Drink time, it says, seems like you can type stars. Cool. Rebasing is backwards. Yeah. Real King Philip says, is there something to consider if you want to stream data via network from a high latency media? Chat, I need your brain power. It shouldn't make a difference between non-data versus data, like, or the bytes shouldn't make a difference. There's something to consider if you want to. I mean, NFS is kind of shitty, so just kind of in general. Depends on what you're trying to do with it, though. What the fuck? Yeah, right. Hey, what's up, John Mega? Hello, hello. Good to see you again. Deleted by us, meaning upstream. Yeah. Rebase happens with us on the upstream branch. Yeah, it's weird. It's definitely backwards. Or at least, to me, it's backwards. QuickTime says, I want to Dockerize my backend. It uses Go 115 and Postgres. All I have to do is use Ubuntu Postgres and Go images and splat it into one. Yeah, that would potentially work. 1 gigabit per second down. Damn, I only have 50 megabits per second. Oh my god. I don't know how I would live with 50 megabits per second. Hey, what's up, Cobra Andre? Hello, hello. Chuck Mike says, am I late to the deadsnakes party? No, we're letting it build right now to make sure that it works. But I wanted to show you something that I messed around with yesterday due to a weird bug in Podman. Let's see if I can find the bug report for that. Let's see, Podman. And trash. Here we go. So there's this weird bug in Podman where, I can just show you. So if we do, oh right, never mind. This uses Podman, so I won't be able to actually show you. I can show you on the actual box though, on a staging box. Hey, what's up, Cabby? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing fine. But anyway, there's like this weird thing where if you run basically any podman command, it leaves behind this podman process that just chills out forever. And this causes systemd to think that this process is still alive, and that this service is still alive because there's still a process living inside of the C group for a systemd service. And this has a few side effects in that like stop and start don't really work like they're supposed to. But yeah, let me show you what I did. ABS EC2 describe instances grep public grep pub. Okay. So if I go to this box and I do sudo systemctl stop dummy podman.service and we stop pre-commit. So I already fixed this, but I'm going to show you what's broken with it first. So if we do pscf grep podman, you'll see that there are no podman process. This is grep matching itself. Hey, what's up, Sank Patel? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. But if I run podman ps, just any podman command, and then I do pscf grep podman, you'll see that there's this podman process chilling out, parented on PID1, and just chilling out there for no good reason. And this has a few problems. Let's actually just do pkill podman to get it back to not being there. Oh. Do I have a virtual here? I do. Sudo which babby. So if we take my systemd service before I had this little hack here, systemd system pre-commit CI worker service. So I get rid of this once and after, and we do sudo systemctl daemon reload, and then hey, what's up, Marine Hero? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. We're gonna do this so that you don't have as much because otherwise this buffers and it's really annoying and you get all the warbly pixels. But yeah, if I start this service now, so sudo systemctl start pre-commit CI worker.service, and then sudo systemctl status, that guy. Oh, this was me. Hang on a sec. I've fucked with this box a little bit. Sudo apt purge dbus x11. I'll put it back to the normal way. Purge that package. Auto remove purge. I was trying some stuff for them. Okay, so we actually have to stop this guy now. It's actually probably going to show the bug here. Yeah, it actually shows the bug here as well. So this stop actually like terminates the service, but since this podman process is still chilling out, this doesn't die immediately. In fact, it takes 90 seconds before it's going to reach the systemd stop timeout and sig kill this process here, which is not that's not going to work. That's not going to be okay when I want to actually stop this service. So part of what we're doing for autoscaling today is making it so that on system shutdown, it gracefully stops this service such that it frees up the current job and it'll get picked up by another worker faster. It would still get picked up by another worker even if we didn't handle it this way, but it would take the 5-minute SQS timeout to do that. I'd rather 5 seconds than 5 minutes. Oh. Coproject says, how does one get to your level of programming? Lots of practice. Lots of projects, lots of practice. And being curious about how things work. I think that's mostly how I've gotten to this point. 50 megabits per second is painful. Before I moved to my apartment, I was used to having 300, so it's really, oh no, that's quite the downgrade. Hey, what's up, Osmarin? Hello, hello. Good to see you again. Oh wait, no, you just followed. You've been here before. I was like, that name looks familiar. Oh wait, it's because I just said the follow notification. I see. Welcome, welcome. Recursive chat. Good to see you again. I feel like we haven't seen recursive chat and recursive kernel panic in the same chat at the same time in a while. So I think you've been in the same chat at the same time. Curse Jan says, what's the best way to store / save a password for a desktop application in Python so that the user does not have to log in every time? For a desktop application. You kind of have like a couple options. Like one is like use the system level keychain if you can find one. The other is stored in some sort of app data configuration. Yeah, those are kind of the options there. Essentially persisted on disk somehow. Something very satisfying about watching configure. Yeah, configure is kind of nice. This is also kind of nice too, but I also want to get rid of it because it's a fucking pain in the ass to maintain. Hey, what's up, Noob44? Hello, hello. Watching and programming is super satisfying. Hopefully I can read that level. Oh, yeah. What's compiling? C Python? Yeah. Python 3.10. 3.10 Alpha 5. Hey, what's up, Parker J? Boop. Boop. Oscar Allen says, in your latest video, you seem to be wearing a Swift t-shirt. Sacrilege, I demand a Python t-shirt. It's not actually Swift. See if I can find where it is. Hey, what's up, Strawberry Jesus? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. So it's actually a 21 Pilots shirt. Let me see if it's through the laundry yet. I need to put my laundry away. I haven't done that yet. That's a Python shirt. Is this it? No. Anyway, you'll just have to trust me. It's not actually a Swift shirt, even though the birds on the shirt look like the Swift logo. So it's Swifty, but it's not Swift. But yeah, the bird shirt, the Swift shirt. Hey, what's up, Metabytes? Hello. Good to see you again. Oscar Allen, welcome back. Hello to you. Keyring is what Pip uses. Yeah, it's fucking stupid. Keyring is super broken in Pip for whatever reason. Hey, what's up, Caleb? Hello. But yeah, it is what Pip uses. Hey, Hayden, how's it going? Welcome to the stream. Do you recommend Linux or Windows for starting to study Python? Sorry, I'm English. Your English is fine. I don't know. I like to do development on Linux myself, but either of them, Python is a portable language. Wait, wasn't this doing this like forever ago? How long do these docs take to build? What are you doing? Maybe I built them twice for some reason. I don't know. I've never had issues with it. What did you run into? Oh my god, let me see if I can find this. Site github.com pypa/pip keyring hastily. Yeah, here we go. So if you have keyring installed, it constantly pops up this pop-up over and over on every pip install. So this pop-up shows up like 20 times. If you installed 20 packages or 18 packages, because it's always like +2 or whatever. But yeah, also this is an old thing. But yeah, and if you click cancel, it just pops up again and again and again. Pip did not do that. There's no reason to create a keyring here when it's not going to be used. Pip install twine, pip install babby. Yeah, this is all I needed to reproduce this. And it spews this output into the output after every single package. Which, like... yeah, this is also how you can take a working machine and break it. But yeah, holy fucking mess. But anyway, that's my experience with keyring. Isn't it supposed to cache it? I mean, it's supposed to not pop it up at all. I ran into that issue when I installed keyring. I wish I hadn't write down diff coding. Isn't it bad? Isn't it awful? Okay, but anyway, see how this took forever to stop and start? So the way I fixed this is by making this service, what is it, once? dummy podman.service, and then after equals dummy podman.service. So this forces this systemd service to have a dependency on this other dummy podman service. And if we look at the dummy podman service, all it does is it runs. We don't need log level debug here. This was me trying some stuff for bug pro. I should do this in the other tab. Oh no, don't crash. Okay, good. Yeah, so this is a hack for this particular issue. But all it does is it runs. Get rid of this. This is it runs podman ps, which triggers that podman process to start up. Then it tells systemd that this service is ready, and then it sleeps for forever. So that's all this systemd service does. And so now with that in place, sudo daemon reload start. So now if I start this service, and then we can look at status, you'll see that it no longer has a podman process in this service group. But if I do dummy podman.service, this one has that silly podman service. It also has sleep in, so these are the two processes that are just chilling out in this C group, which is fine. This is just a dummy service. We don't really need that to be happening. But now stop will work instantly, which is great. So I need stop to work instantly because I want to use this as a shutdown action when the auto scaling group scales down. So yeah. Anyway, that's the fix that I did for that. Sleep Infinity is not documented. Huh. Weird. I wonder how I picked that up. Sleep.c. Is this core utils? Where do you come from? The volume file system root has only 915 megs of free space remaining. Uh-oh. This will free up some, right? Not that much. What is taking up so much space? Oh no. Well, I should have piped away standard error. I wonder how much my home directory is using. Imagine using Podman. Podman's pretty nice. Just use containerd directly. Just use a 10 node local Kubernetes cluster. No, I don't need Kubernetes for this. Okay, my home directory is 20 gigs. That's definitely the problem. Yeah, so it's definitely my home directory. Huh. 16 gigs of it is not in there. It's not the cache either. Oh. It's local. What is in local? It's probably containers. Local share star. Yes, it is the container store. Why are you so big? One is this build, but how do you see the size of a container? What's up, jingling your bells? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Podman images. Oh, that's 3 gigs. That would do it. Okay, so that freed up half of the side, half of the disk usage there. Don't need you either. The rest of these should be fine though. Okay, that would do that. Oh no! The build is failing. Money says it's Docker. I mean, it was Podman, but yeah. I quite like NCDU. Yeah, NCDU is pretty nice. Hey, what's up, Dr. Batman? Welcome back. Low disk space. What? That's because it's a VM, so I only give it a certain amount of stuff. Does Podman have a purge? Yeah, it does. But these were used images. They were just like ones that I didn't need. Do you size? Do you like to use NCDU? Yes. Another NCDU fan. Kev says, got my pickles and cheese to snack on. Are we winning? What's with the oddball names in the stream? Names? Oddball names the stream. What? Is my stream named wrong? My stream looks fine. What do you mean? What? It's a Red Eye Beasts. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Oscar Allen says, FreeBSD Sleep doesn't accept Infinity as an argument. It seems like it's GNU specific. Yeah, well, we didn't figure out which package it came from, did we? Then Sleep. Core utils. Yeah, so it'd be GNU's core utils. Which I can never seem to find the core utils source online. Maybe because I'm just like bad at finding it. Okay, so I have a script which auto fixes these. I just need to copy this and pray that the script works because it didn't work last time I ran it. Fix symbols, paste, Control D. Oh, praise be. The script worked. Then we need to rebase on this. And then reorder these, and then rebuild again. And this is why these packages are kind of a pain in the butt to maintain. I wish I didn't ship the symbols files. I don't know if anyone actually uses them, but there's no way to like ask people properly, you know? Like I could post about it on Twitter and be like, hey, Twitter, do you use this weird file that I don't think anyone uses, but I don't even know how people would know if they used it or not, you know? Oh, the followers? I mean, Jingling Your Bells is a pretty good name. I like that one. Strawberry Jesus was interesting as well. I don't know, pretty normal. Oh, you found it? Wait, there's a mirror on GitHub now? Oh, that makes it way easier then. That makes it way easier. Infinity. Why do I not see it in here? Where does it come from then? Yeah, wait, how does this work? X stir to D. What is X stir to D? Oh, X stir to D dot H. That must be where the magic happens. X stir to D dot H. I should have done T, right? X stir to D. GNU lib. Here we go. This must be where it comes from, right? No. No? Where does this convert function come from? Oh god, I don't even know. Strings doesn't show infinity either? Well, it must be a dynamically linked library then, right? I wonder if just parsing float in in libc does it. LDD bin sleep. How does this work? I actually don't know how this works. Oh no. I've been using this trick for a long time too. Oh my god. CDRH1 says, do you think FANG companies have the best engineers? No. I actually think they probably have below average engineers. Oh, now I have hiccups too. Oh my god. I'm just miserable. The remove it'll be like that XKCD comic where they find an overheating bug and now they can't use it to keep their feet warm. Yeah, yeah, like the spacebar heater thing. Dr. Batman, PhD. Oh, I missed some stuff. Why'd you want to sleep for eternity? I mean, aside from IRL. Sometimes you just need a process that does nothing forever. Do you know what's the best way to compare values of a dictionary with values of a list and take the difference? You can use the setops, although I think you can only use the setops on the key view. So you would make a set of the values and a set of your list and subtract them. Don't try to read GNU code. It's really, really bad, at least based on the portions of glibc. Oh yeah, for sure. Remove first, deal with the fall later. Yeah. Let's see. You said values, not keys. For keys, it's much easier. Read double from stir, presumably some fancy extras. Ah, very, very weird. Parse GNU standard options only. Yeah, I would expect it to be in the strings list then. Down the rabbit hole we go. T. I wonder if we do... Oh, we already did that. Very weird. Very weird. Oh, John Mega found the comment. Perfect. Red-Eyed Beast says, I joined a startup recently. I've been working plenty now. Around 15 hours on average, so I feel there's work-life balance in FANG. FANG's where we go if you want to be done with stuff. Stir2D recognizes 4 special input strings. The strings are infinity, are converted to infinity, or to the largest representative value. Oh, really? It's not listed here. Man, Stir2D. An infinity is either inf or infinity, disregarding case. Wait, does that mean you can do sleep nan? And you can do sleep inf. What if you do sleep negative inf? I find it interesting that sleep checks for negative values, but I don't think there's a way to do negative values in sleep because it doesn't take dash dash. Oh, wait, yeah, no, here, it does take dash dash. So this is invalid time interval and this is invalid option. I understand. Interesting. Interesting. God, look at the macro mess. Oh no. Oh, not looking forward to this. Oh my god. Actually, this isn't so bad. This is mostly just like finding if there's a built-in version of it. Hey, what's up, James Boyd? Hello. Okay. Still building, running configure for probably the 5th or 6th time here. Okay, but the thing that I want to work on today, and I don't know, this is new territory for me, so I'm not sure how it's going to work. Let's see, auto scaling group scale down actions. Fuck, I forget what I searched for. Run command on auto scaling group scale down. Run code, here we go. This thing. Is this the blog post that I was reading? Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna be doing a bunch of shit today and see how this works out. And hopefully it will, yeah, hopefully we'll be able to run a bit of code that terminates this service as it's shutting down. So, yeah, we'll see how that goes. Gayla says, "Oh yes," but I don't know all the things that are involved here, so we're gonna be doing a bit of reading and a bit of Terraform to see how this goes. Following are the steps for manually creating CloudFormation template. Well, we're not doing CloudFormation. Does this only use CloudFormation? Oh, that doesn't look good. What is this? Automation document. Okay, well, we're gonna be transforming it to something else. We're doing a bunch of shit and hopefully it works every coder ever. I mean, yeah, sometimes you hope it doesn't work, though. I have the Windows escapes here. What a weird blog post. The code in this post is intended for the Windows command line. Who writes their primary... I've not seen a blog post in a very long time have their primary audience be Windows users. But I guess, you know, whatever. Wait, print out the walkthrough and bind it into a book and sit back in a nightcap and read it to us like a bedtime story. Oftentimes, you may want to execute some code and actions before terminating an Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud Amazon EC2 instance that is part of an Amazon EC2 auto-scaling group. For example, you can remove the instance from the domain and create a snapshot or Amazon machine image, AMI, of it before the instance is terminated by dynamic scaling. Strap in, boys, we're gonna be reading this blog post. No, that would be, we don't have time for that shit. Okay, step 1, create an auto-scaling, create a lifecycle hook. To add a lifecycle hook, named this to my auto-scaling group. Okay. He was, what is it? Life cycle. Alright, let's try this. New 4.4 stretches my blanket, yeah. Is auto-scaling lifecycle hook. Okay, this sounds like the thing that we want. Terraform has 2 types of ways to add lifecycle hooks: via the initial lifecycle hook attribute from the AWS autoscaling group resource, or via this one. Hooks added via this resource will not be added until the autoscaling group has been created. Oh shit. Did you see everything shake? There's like some giant machine banging away outside. We need Anthony Reed's code where you just pick something like a Python standard module and slowly and calmly read and explain it. Yeah, it's basically an earthquake machine. My whole house is shaking. Can you not, please? I don't even know what it is. I kind of want to see what it is. And go peer out my window. What are you, machine? Oh. Why are they doing that? They're just taking an excavator, you know, the big bucket scooping thing, and they're just going bong, bong, bong on the ground for some reason. I don't know why. But yeah, that's what's shaking my house. Is Doggo okay? Doggo's not here, so Doggo's fine. I prefer to not hear that accent again. Maybe they're looking for fiber. Oh god, if they broke my internet, I would be so mad. Maybe they're digging for gold. Nah, they're putting up a fucking apartment complex. Okay, so let us be in the Terraform repository. Terraform git pull. What are you, Patch? Already applied you. Okay. Areas. No. ESG runner. Okay, we're gonna add more shit to the bottom here. Resource. AWS auto scaling life cycle hook. Runner terminates. Yes. Okay. What all do we need here? Lifecycle hook name. Let's see, is name required? Name is required. Runner terminates. Okay. What else they got here? Auto scaling group name. Okay, that one's surely required. Auto scaling group name equals alias auto scaling group dot runner dot name. Okay. What else do we need? Lifecycle transition. Okay, let's see what they do there. Looks like it is just inline like that. Okay. Life cycle transition equals a string, special string. Love strings. Love stringly typed strings. These are the only ones? Okay, well, fortunately this is the one that we want. Okay, I think it requires double quotes because Terraform. Oh, not that. Might need that later. Default result. Default result defines the action the auto-scaling group should take when the lifecycle hook timeout elapses or if... Yeah, okay, so default results. Default parameter is abandoned. Well, we want continue. Default results equals... Is it the string continue? It is the string continue! Bongs are shaking in Anthonka house, yeah. Did the stream just crash for anyone else? No, I still appear to be streaming, so it might just be you. Progress on some Rocky Linux shiz. We have merch now. Oh, that's cool. Nice. Well, says, I got a different crash than before, now it crashes later into my compiler. Oh, nice. Progress. Seems like another streamer I watch is streaming, so see ya. Bye, Jalmega. Thank you for stopping by. Even though I see how it is. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Appreciate you hanging out. Oh yeah, the ducks are streaming Sea Nerds. Hey, what's up, Chico Codes? Hello, hello. Good to see you. Okay. What else do we need? Region. I don't think I need region. I think region is defaulted. Right? Region. Nope, don't need region. Okay, cool. So that's definitely the first step. Create a systems manager automation document. I think I need this. Notification target ARN at some point. ARN is the notification target that the auto-scaling group will use to notify you when an instance is in the transition state. The ARN can be an SQSQ and SNS topic. ARN is the IAM role that allows the auto-scaling group to publish to the specific notification target. Heartbeat timeout defines the amount of time in seconds that can elapse before the lifecycle hook times out. When the lifecycle hook times out, auto-scaling performs the action defined in the default result. Okay, so we should probably set a timeout. Heartbeat timeout equals let's say it's in seconds, right? 60 seconds? Do 30 seconds. Region. Why have Dijon when you can have region? I don't know what region is. I don't know. Is this done? No. Oh, it's right at the end though. This is the last little bit before it builds up the packages. Okay. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. In this step, I create an automation document named lifecycle hook doc. The automation document goes through the following steps. Run a Windows PowerShell script. Well, we're not going to be doing that. Create an AMI of the EC2 instance. Terminate the instance. Well, we don't need 2, so we'll probably do something like that. For this step, the automation document includes the following parameters. Automation assume role, Amazon resource name, the RN of a role that allows the automation to execute. Oh, my dishwasher is beeping at me. Stop it. Okay. We got a lot of parameters in here. Oh my goodness, there's a lot in here. Okay, create IAM policies and role to delegate permissions to the systems manager automation document. There were a lot of words in there. I understood some of the words, but I have no fucking idea what that's saying. But we do need to make a role, I guess, to run this. Oh my god, this is so complicated. Holy shit, we're on step 2 and I'm already lost. Step 1 was easy though. Step 2 is... Holy dear god, what is going on here? I think I just need to find the resources that hook this up and then go from there. Where's the part where they hook things up? Trigger the target from step 4. When an instance changes to terminating wait status, I create a CloudWatch events role called my CloudWatch event. Auto scaling. Auto scaling group. It's weird that this is just like a string. Add a systems manager automation document as a CloudWatch event target. Whew. This is real complicated. Okay, so we want events somehow. Which I guess is called CloudWatch, which is called Event Bridge now. Oh boy. New for first, I think the infinity event might come from some ungodly string parsing. Oh, you've dug further into the glibc stuff? Yes, that appears to be... This appears to be exactly that code. Cool. I'm glad we got to the bottom of it. Hey, what's up, Psycro? Hello, hello. Welcome to the stream. I'm doing well. Doing well. It's going. Oh, this finish. Let me see. Are the symbols okay? Yeah, I can ignore that. Cool. Okay, that looks good. Runbooks release. So this will upload deadsnakes focal, then we gotta do the same thing for the other ones. Important discovery, you can sleep if... Oh no, really? Sleep. I guess it makes sense because it's case insensitive. That's so funny. I'm gonna add this in my scripts from now on just to like fuck with somebody. No. Sleep infinity. Sleep infinity. Of course, you'd have to see the text. Sankar says, working on this project so long. You mean like how long have I been working on this particular project? Which one? Because I'm doing two things at once right now. I've been maintaining deadsnakes since... Let's see. When did Python 3.6 come out? I've been maintaining deadsnakes since the early 2017, and I've been working on pre-commit.ci for about 8 months. All right, GPG. Stupid GPG. I fucking hate GPG. Why can't GPG just be less shit? Pre-commit.ci. I've been working on it since April, or since May of 2020. 3.6 came out so long and people are still on 2.7, right? Right. Pre-commit, I have been working on since 2014. Coming up on 7 years. I think it'll be 7 years in May. I guess we can confirm. Get log reverse. March. It'll be 7 years in March. Did you drop frames? I did. What the fuck? I fixed this. What? My bandwidth limiter must not be working. Well, that sucks. I dropped 2 seconds worth of frames. God damn it. I guess I gotta tone it down a little bit. I think I can do that. I gotta find the command again now. Ah, damn it. That sucks. That really sucks. Alright, anyway, let's see, refresh patches Ubuntu Bionic. This will error twice, just like the last one did. And then we just have to get rm this, and then get rebase continue, and that's not gonna work, so we gotta do skip. And then we gotta do get checkout upstream to this file here. And then continue, that's not gonna work. So we'll do skip, and then continue, that's not gonna work, so we just exit 0. And then we gotta cherry pick Ubuntu focal this, and then rebase on this, reorder those, and then I'm just gonna say fuck it and release this. Hopefully I don't need to patch anything else, but James White says, wait, is this how you spell this up to date with dashes? With hyphens? I think you could do it with or without hyphens. I think Git is actually not internally consistent about this. I think sometimes they do up space to space date. I guess we could do strings git grep dash I up to date. What do I need to do? Which? Still impressed. Yeah, so sometimes Git uses spaces, sometimes Git uses dashes, sometimes Git uses spaces. Already up to date! Yeah! Wait, where does this come from? How do I trigger this message? I feel like I gotta find how to trigger this message and then tweet about it, because that's hilarious. Like, wait, what? What is this? Alright, we're gonna try and figure out how to trigger this message. Just for the lulz of it. Let's see, git clone, depth 1, github, git slash git. And yeah, sorry I'm dropping frames. Oh, I wonder what happened there. Looks like Anthunk is busy for the next half an hour. You'll find it pretty quickly, I'm pretty sure. Okay, so it happens in a merge? Yeah. So it's in an octopus merge? So it has to be an octopus merge where everything is already up to date. It looks like. How do we force an octopus merge? Damn it. I don't I don't remember what an octopus merge is, to be honest. Octopus merge. Rolls with more than 2 heads but refuses to do a complex merge that needs manual resolution. Strategy when pulling or merging more than one branch. Oh, this is like remote branches. Do they have to be remote branches? This is a big ass function. Command merge. Okay, so it's somewhere in here. I wonder if they have to be remote branches. Let's try and make them remote branches. We build get from source and debug why it's not happening. Maybe one of these branches has to be older. Maybe 2 of them have to be older. Let's try 2 of them and then... That's weird. G Pratt says I got hype news. Wait, what's your hype news? What's your hype news? J Pratt? It's just another thing I can't get excited about or I'll be crushed. Oh no. Oh no. Hey, do we debug this and try and figure this out, or do you guys not care? I kind of want to get the yeah message somehow, but you guys don't want me to. I won't. Refresh Ubuntu/Xenial. And then delete this. Get rebase. Hey, Gabernat, thank you for the resubscription with Prime at 11 months. Yeah, I'm currently trying to get the last build of this working. Which get check out upstream. Continue, no, skip. Continue, exit 0. For whatever reason, Xenio is old, so it makes me type in my GPG password twice. Not once, but twice. Do what's fun, silly boy? Rat says, I got rejected from an SD position like last week or 2 weeks ago. The recruiter reached back out for another position. I'm just going for it. Huh. Weird. Original if statement is interesting. If remote heads and not common. Oh, is it not possible? Hey, what's up, BixPlays? Hello, hello. Who says, get a haircut, you hippie. Oh yeah, I definitely need one, but I don't feel like it's really safe to do one at the current time. So what's your biggest Python 3.10 feature you're looking for? I am excited for 2 things. One is the parenthesized with statements being finalized, even though I know it's in 3.9 as well. But I think the big one for me is the feature annotations stuff, because it means less pain. New 4 says it looks possible. You just have to get past if not allow unrelated histories. Refusing to merge unrelated histories. Oh, so I have to merge unrelated up-to-date histories with an octo merge. Is that what I need? Walmart is open, get some clippers and buzz it up. Yeah, I mean, shaving my head's not hard. I have things that I could shave my head with. I don't know that I want to do that though. I'm pretty sure my head is like a really fucking weird shape. Is it this? That how I do this? So then... Ooh. Okay. Allow unrelated histories. Is that what it was? Merged with strategy, octopus failed. No! Fuck! I thought that would have worked. Oh my god, I've super messed this up now. Oh, this is dumb. Anyway, the goal for you in chat is to figure out how to get that yeah message. Post in the Discord if you can. I will, I don't know, give you gift subs or something. If someone can figure it out. No context? Oh no, what did I say this time? What did your no context clip me doing? No, like that's entirely in context. I'm pretty sure if you shape my head, it's a really fucking weird shape. Like, yeah, I don't... Even without context, I think it still makes sense. Unless you're talking about... Oh, I see what you're talking about. Michaela. Michaela! BixPlays says, so are you editing pre-commit with Babby? Yes. Wait, why are you balking me? You're the one that made the clip! Hey, what's up, Viking Coder? Who says, hello there. Is that the proper Alt F4 there? Hello there. Hello there. Hello there. You freaking loony. There's no way that's my fault. Okay, so in theory, we have uploaded the deadsnakes Python 3.10. Let's see. Deadsnakes PPA. Let's see if the build's passed. I usually get an email for them. I have the 3 accepted. But I don't have build successes. 4 weeks ago. Must be building? 9 packages building. On all these weird ass architectures. ARMS? I don't care about ARMS 64. I want to see AMD 64. Where the fuck is AMD 64? What? What? Maybe it already finished? Oh, I need to do pipe 3.10. That's off of 4. Where the fuck is off of 5? Why would it prioritize non-AMD builds? Yeah, pending. Oh, come on. The AMD builds are the most important. You picked the 2 most important builds and left them out for some reason. Ugh. I don't give a fuck about ARMHF and PowerPC and S390X. Somebody bugged me to build them, so I checked the little box. Now it's so slow. Ugh. Pain. Hey, what's up, Jay Carey? Hello, hello. Good to see you. Bix Place says, came off again, just stopped by to say hi. Well, thank you for stopping by. Good to see you. Did you figure out the already update thing? Yeah, thing? I had to call my mom. No, I didn't. But I'm offering anyone in chat who can figure it out, post it to the Dick Sword, and I will gift subs or something. I don't know. We'll figure it out. I only recently found out that deadsnakes had ARM builds. Yeah, it does, because people were bugging me about it. So I added it, but now it's delaying all the other builds. What do you think is the fastest? ARM 64 or yeah, it's probably ARM 64. That's probably the fastest one, right? Oh, it's not even close to being done. Hard to know whether it's done or not. And before I start making a deadsnakes, what is COPR? COPR. Confirmation of permanent residence. This thing? Cooper is designed to be a lightweight build system that allows contributors to create packages. Oh, it's for Fedora packaging? I see. I see. Hey, what's up, Torx Bravo? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. You don't really need it for Fedora because Fedora already packages all of the existing Python versions, so you don't need to do that, as far as I understand. Except for the like super dead ones, which like even deadsnakes won't be able to package the super dead ones soon, unless somebody pays me to do it because libssl 1.0.1 is dead, long dead, and the last operating system to ship it was Bionic, and so even in Focal there are no packages before 3.5, because 3.5 is the last one where the SSL packages or the SSL patches were backported. So yeah, some truly dead snakes. Young packaging in general. I see. Stupid player keeps spinning. Oh no! Why haven't? Oh, that might be my fault when I pushed this. Yeah, I think that was my fault when I pushed this. So it should be better now. I need to apparently update my bandwidth limiter to make even more limiting. Actually, we can probably do that right now. Let's see, bandwidth limit VirtualBox. I deleted the link that I had to show how to do this. Yeah, here we go. Okay. VBox manage bandwidth CTL. Ubuntu 2004. Get limit. Oh, I gotta find the full path to this. C program. Oh, it deletes the whole thing when you tab complete? That's so shitty. That's so shitty. Bandwidth CTL Ubuntu 2004 get limit list. Okay, it is set to 10 mbits. So I guess we can do set limit 9 mbits. 9M. Okay, we'll try that. Hopefully that. Man, this is painfully slow. But I guess that will hopefully fix that. Bang blue thing. Yes, the blue thing, the blue spinner. Deadsnakes bet for Centos, please. Yeah. I knew blue thinging would make him play with it. You weren't wrong, Michaela. You were not wrong. 3.6 is the earliest I tested on. Same. Same. Yeah, it's up melting lava. You triggered the bot. That's so funny. Bandwidth cuddle, yeah. Welcome to Windows Terminal, aka hell for anything that breathes. It's true, it's true. Alright, I am late to filling up water, so I'm gonna go fill up my water. I will be right back, and I will see you in a bit. I'm back. I also fixed my dishwasher that was beeping. It does that thing where it just beeps. If you forget to give it enough attention and turn it off, it just beeps, 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 and beeps. Anyway, it's done beeping. What's the yeah thingy? There's like some merge message in Git. Strings. There's some merge message in Git that causes it to say, yeah! Juicebox Hero with the 10 bits says beep. How's it going, Juicebox Hero? Hello, hello. Jordan Meadows Games, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Need a fidget toy. stuck to it so you can hunkle it and clickety clack, spinny woo some stuff. A fidget toy plushie? Is that what you're suggesting? I saw this a fidget spinner keycap. Is it this one? Yeah, it's this one. So you can have a fidget spinner keycap. I fucking hate whatever product manager decided that the two options were allow and later, not allow and no, fuck you, never. But anyway, I could get a fidget spinner keycap for ridiculousness. Juice says first. Hello, Juicebox Hero. How's it going? Share 10. Share 10 beep. Share 10. A very salty biscuit wizard says, "Oh my god, that is cool." Wait, the fidget spinner key? You have two of those for left foot speaker? Oh my god, amazing. Jordan Meadows Games says, "I'm a video game developer. I use Unity Engine to develop video games, to do childhood games, fantasy games, horror games, and more." Sounds cool. Welcome to the stream. Why is it always the product manager? Maybe it was the designer. Nah, the designer doesn't give a fuck about copy. It's the product manager that's like, how do we get more engagement? How do we force more engagement on these users? Let's not give them the option to say never. It's just yes or later. Maybe it was the CMO. Maybe it was above the PM's head. The manager of the product manager is still product manager. The options are allow, later, and inspect element. Yeah. Oh, wait, did you find it? Easter egg, get to say already up to date. Yeah! Wait. How did they do this? By telling it to merge something it just merged, tell you get to be a little silly too. Immediately after doing a merge, look at the last merge commit. Oh. Really? Really? Of course, Googling, yeah, was definitely gonna find this. So you're saying if I take these two, which will trigger an octopus merge. Oh, it didn't work. Seems fake news! What if I take more of them? What if I take you as well? Nope. Didn't work. Didn't work, sadly. Maybe that code is dead now. This is get1754, which is real fucking old. Real fucking old. Bummer. Maybe you wrote a really user-friendly spec and then some jerk in marketing was like, yes or later, rar. I don't know. Was that his Juicebox impression? Sad that you won't be streaming tonight, Juice. I hope you're not getting super exhausted. Spaghetti! OSU says, what is the blue button in the middle? You do bang blue thing. Then, yeah. This says more than 3 branch merges. 2005. I wonder if there's a test for it. Get grab. Yeah! Yeah, boy! No, there's no test for it. Of course not. What is this link? What is the title of it? Not already up to date. Yeah, not. Why doesn't this work? Oh, they got yeah. They got it. They got it to work. Oh, they've merged. They're trying to merge themselves? Nope, that didn't work either. Only occurs in doing an octopus merge. Merge that has two branches being merged. Perhaps the authors deemed it to be extraordinary. Yeah, that doesn't seem to reproduce it either. I've just been kind of too sad to leave my house recently and haven't seen Anthong since Sunday, so I want to go see Anthong tonight. Oh, are you coming over tonight? Is that happening? Remains a mystery. Yeah, indeed, indeed. Indeed, indeed. Okay, so what the fuck was I doing? Okay, we're done with the dead snake stuff. Let me make sure that I left this in a good state. That looks good. Dummy podman don't service. Let me make sure you're in a good state. You are. Okay, cool. I can ignore that box now. Goodbye. And then we gotta figure out this terrible terraform shit. I have no idea. Okay, so we have started by adding a lifecycle hook. We need to follow that up with something else. I'm gonna Google this string, see if someone else has done a tutorial that's less like, use cloud formation and click a bunch of shit. Oh boy. Terminating, terminate, wait, terminate, proceed. Yeah, this is what we want to do. Life single hook. I think that's on the same page. Yeah, it's just here. M2dev.net, thank you for the resub at 3 months. Wait, didn't you just resub like a few days ago? I could have sworn I just got a resub notification for you, but thank you for the resub. Appreciate it. At 3 months, which means you get a fancy new badge, unless like time just flies. Oh yeah, you did. You resubbed 2 days ago. How is that possible? What happened there? What? This is your message from 2 days ago. Which I'm confused. I'm confused, but it's good to see you. Thank you for the resub. Appreciate it. Presumpton Hool has followed. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I messaged you. I come over to the house. Oh, I see. I see. I was a little late sharing because it was bugging me. Oh, I understand. I understand. I see. Cool. Well, now you get a fancy new badge. You're up to the 3-month badge now. Okay, you can add a lifecycle hook to your blah 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 custom actions. That's exactly what we want to do. If you are just getting launching hook, move from pending to pending wait. After you complete the lifecycle action, the instances enter the pending proceed state. When instances are fully configured, then they are attached to the auto scaling group and they enter the in-service state. I might be able to use this to make scale up faster too, because right now it's just like, yeah, you know, wait 30 seconds and call that good enough. Terminates one or more instances, they enter the terminating lifecycle hook to your auto scaling groups. For more information, click on this thing. Okay. Enable you to perform custom actions by pausing instances as an auto scaling launches or terminates them. That's exactly what we want to do. Make sure this is fully ready before it starts receiving traffic. For example, use of life cycle, let's scale in. Yeah. Well, lifecycle hook works. And the add, they work as follows. Main responds to scaled events by ending wait or terminating wait. Yeah. Perform a custom action using one of the following options. Define an event bridge target to invoke a lambda function. I don't really want to invoke lambda. The event contains information about the instance that is launched or terminating and a token you can use to control the lifecycle. A notification target for the lifecycle hook. Auto scaling sends a message to the notification target. Create a script that runs on the instance. This is exactly what I want to do. This is what I want to do. Script can control the lifecycle action. This is what I want to do. That's precisely what I want to do. Juice says, meeting, be back in a bit. Alright, sounds good. Zio says, why are you using AWS EC2? EC2 is expensive. They charge a lot of money for bandwidth. For bandwidth? They charge like 0 for. I've paid 0 for bandwidth. Why am I using EC2? Because I don't want to run my own machines and I need machines. It seems like a bad question. What is your gripe with EC2? What is your actual gripe with EC2? Daniel says, finally changed my board Pentium for the Intel Core i5 9400F, and now the VM is better with Ubuntu, and I can stream without any problem. That's awesome! I'm glad that upgrade worked well for you, Daniel. Yeah, the i5 is going to be much more powerful than the Pentium was. My legs fell asleep. When I stood up, I almost fell down. Oh, that happens to me all the time, I satisfied. They're cheap AF. Yeah, I'm paying like $7 a month to run pre-commit.ci. Like... Now, granted, I'd rather be paying $14 a month and be running the beefier images or the beefier machines, but I haven't gotten the things to a place where I'm happy using the larger boxes. Partially because I want GitHub to let me fucking register my damn app using my own fucking name, but for some reason, it's not letting me. What's up, Aligot? Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. So I made another sport ticket. Hopefully they'll read that sport ticket. They didn't read the one from 3 months ago, so who knows what's gonna happen there. Maybe I should bug my friend that works at GitHub. Oh, I hate doing that because I feel like such a leech whenever I... Hey, friend who works at company that I use and really want your shit to be better. Can you fix this thing for me? I know I'm jumping the support queue, but please, please. Okay, anyway. Medieval insert remains in a wait state for 1 hour. Okay, I'm glad I set the heartbeat timeout to 30 seconds, because 1 hour is so long. If you need more time, you can restart the timeout period by recording a heartbeat. If you finish before the timeout ends, you can complete the lifecycle action. Yeah, okay, cool. A whole hour just sitting there chilling. Deadsnakes still says, hey Anthony, do you have a video on how to manage different versions of Python? And how this plays with virtual environments? Do I talk about deadsnakes? I think I do. Explains deadsnakes. Yes, check out that video and check out this video, and that shows how I manage multiple versions of Python on my machines. J.K. says, hey, maybe the internet will work now. I just got back. Oh, cool, nice. If they don't fix it, fork it. I don't want to make another instance of my app just to fix the stupid marketplace shit, you know? Taylor says, how do you do so that your ears do not hurt with those small headphones? I spent years looking for headphones that are comfortable since my ears are a little outward. I envy you. That is why you can be with such small headphones without any problems. So these are like very loosely on my head. I also don't wear them except when I'm streaming because I really don't like wearing headphones. If I I really only wear them so that I don't lose my damn mind during streaming, so I can have some background noise. I actually usually wear earbuds if I'm listening to like music or whatever via headphones. I don't really like this headset is fucking garbage, so I usually don't wear it. I actually don't like noise canceling. I find that it puts me too much inside my own head, and I know I feel anxious and panicky when wearing noise canceling headphones because I don't know. It feels like, you know, I've never been in one. I want to go in one because I just want to see how fucking insane I'll go. But those like saltwater bath things, saltwater. What are they called? Hey, Mewtwo! Zero Hell Zero! Hello, hello! How's it going, Mewtwo? Thank you for the bits, appreciate it. What are they called? But like, sensitivity, saline baths. What are they called? Saline suspension bath. Can you guys know what I'm talking about? Sensory deprivation. Yeah, those ones. Yes, these things. Where they put you in a salt bath, right? Dark soundproof tank that is filled with a foot or less of salt water. Yeah. I kind of want to do one of these just to see how fucking insane I go. I want to make sure Yelp doesn't show my address. Oh shit, there's one in Redwood City. Does that show my address? Good. Apparently they have one in Redwood City. Huh. Neat. I wonder how much does it cost? Surely it can't cost that much. You're just sitting in a fucking saltwater bath. They're open now! I can go do one. $79 for a 90-minute float. Huh. I might do that. I've always wanted to try these things. Yeah. Interesting. We're so happy to hear you had a beautiful float. Oh god. Zero Hell Zero, right? Yeah, that was pretty funny. We have deprecated all the senses. They will be removed in Human 1.1. Pretty much. Also, welcome to the stream, Ollie Axon Free. Hello, hello. Deprecation, yeah, deprecation tank. Polymathic Man, how's it going? You had to have a prefix close to AWS. I didn't realize that it was going to be one of those things that I typo all the time. Also, the number of times that I've typed in awc.amazon.com instead of aws.amazon.com. Yeah. Jordan Meadows Games says, gotta go, see you later. Well, thank you for stopping by. You would just lie in your bathtub with the lights out. Yeah, but there's too much noise around here, you know? How much for a bunch of salt plus turn off the lights in your bath? I think part of it is the noise canceling. I think that's a big part of it. Assume you have a bathtub long enough. I don't know that I would fit in my bathtub lying down. Yeah, no, I definitely would not. Shaz Robot, how's it going? Hello, hello. They're offering floats. Ask them how much to float for infinity. Is that a Diamond Hands joke there, Noob 404? You know what they say? Whatever floats your boat. Indeed, indeed, JK. Good yoke right there. Cyberbunny says, GitHub actually is finally going to use GNU Tar on macOS for its official cache. Oh, finally. Not the fucking BSD tar. We have deprecated headphones. Yeah. Nice. Now, when I was younger, I used to mix up S and C so I feel your pains. I see. How are you doing today? I'm doing well. It was meant as a stir to D joke. Oh. I thought you were making a, like, stock float joke. Because it worked on, like, 3 different levels. But anyway. We're doing well today. I'm reading through the AWS docs about auto-scaling group events, and I'm trying to implement a terminate wait event. So I read through a blog post which is like for Windows and shit, and yeah, I don't know. The stuffed animals in the background look like potential otaku. What is otaku? Is that the anime wannabe person? Is that the like weeb shit? What is otaku? Fine. Otaku. A young person who is obsessed with computers or particular aspects of popular culture to the detriment of their social skills. That's funny. uh, Noodle has a drinking problem? Yeah. Noodle does have a drinking problem. Noodle also has a standing up straight problem. But yeah. Silly Noodle. Don't be a paper hand? Yeah. Right. Okay. Yeah. That's what it says. Hey, also remember you should be fixing security vulnerabilities for exposure. Yeah, for exposure. Oh my god. I tell you, I had another company that I reached out to and they were like, yeah, no, we're not going to pay you, but we also are not going to fix it either. So what I kind of want to do is make a pull request to their Git repo that just replaces all their files with fuck you, pay me. Which I think would be hilarious, but also probably get me banned from GitHub, so maybe not the best idea. I wonder if I could pay somebody to do it. That would be even funnier. Then it would be my fault, right? Bintray will stop allowing uploads at the end of February. Homebrew has to find... Oh, Homebrew is on Bintray? Oh my god. Why are they getting rid of Bintray? Interesting. Bella says, have you thought about investing in a green screen for the YouTube videos? I have thought about it. I'm probably gonna get one pretty soon. Once work starts and probably like get my first paycheck and spend it on some stream stuff. See, exposure when no one even credits you, right? Yeah. Shutting down with a couple of other JFrog services. Interesting. Didn't try JCenter, Ghost Center, and Chart Center. Maybe not a great idea right before you get employed, to be honest. Yeah. Your noodle won't stand up? Yeah, that was exactly the yoke I was making on the server. Don't do it. Don't do it. We need noodle. So it'd just be for YouTube, the noodle. We would still have the plushies on the Twitch. Yeah. It would only be for YouTube where there aren't plushies on YouTube. Unless if Noodle is the green screen, yeah. You're done with fun employment? In like 2.5 weeks. Yeah. Sadly. Okay. Wait state for a finite period. The default is 1 hour. You can adjust the time in the following way. Set the heartbeat timeout for the life cycle when you create the life cycle log. Use the heartbeat timeout parameter. Yeah, we did that already. Put life cycle with heartbeat. Yeah. Continue to the next state if you finish before the timeout period ends using the complete life cycle action command for the operation. Okay. Postpone the end of the timeout period by recording a heartbeat. Postpone the end. Yeah, I don't need to do that. Next amount of time you can keep an instance in a wait state is 48 hours or 100 times the heartbeat timeout. Oh, my machine is scaling out. Better keep it up for 48 more hours. And also says, besides Ubuntu, what flavor of Linux do you like or would you recommend? Fedora is fine. Arch is kind of a pain in the ass, but you could probably get it working. What else have I used? I really don't like Rel. Debian's fine. There's also like the 50 flavors of Ubuntu that I think are fine. Those are most of the ones. I mean, honestly, I've spent probably like 99% of my time in Ubuntu, and then like 1% of my time in Debian, and then like, you know, fraction of a percentage in other ones. I used to run Knoppix back in the day, just as a live CD. Why are there no pictures on YouTube? Because it's a treat for you guys for stream. You can always make a Reddit post and use their repos as examples and let Reddit handle it. Yeah, that would work too. Not sure why anything is not on YouTube. It's most likely due to DMCA. Maybe not this time though. No, it's just because I want to treat you guys in chat. Dr. Cheese Weasel! Android Linux is decent for noobs like me. I see. Gen 2 if you have too much time. Alright, James Wayne runs Gen 2. God, Gen 2. Gen 2 if you want to lose your mind. Mint. Yeah, I've heard good things about Mint. iOS plus Windows users have two options for free cross-platform password managers. MS Authenticator works on Password Manager in iOS, and Apple recently released a Chromium extension that works with Windows iCloud. Huh. Interesting. I don't have an iOS device, so I don't care. Lol. What do you think about PyEnv? I think that it causes... I would have fewer gray hairs and quite a few more brain cells if PyEnv did not exist. Let's put it that way. PyEnv advertises itself as an easy way to set up Python versions. In reality, it's an easy way to fuck up Python versions, and so I have to spend a lot of support time unfucking people's environments or debugging why they have misconfigured PyEnv, and I'd rather not do that. If PyEnv weren't so shit, I would be fine with it, but unfortunately it makes it really easy to make a poorly compiled version of Python. And so I am not okay with it. But yeah. Hey, what's up, everyone? Hello, hello. How are you doing? I'm doing well. It's going well. It's going well. Sabian is pretty cool too. I've not heard of Sabian. Not heard of Sabian. This one says, also would have a lot more brain cells if W3 Schools didn't exist. Yeah, I don't get like tilted about W3 Schools though. W3 Schools is fine. I just drink a beer and make it happen. PyEnv, you get people that like demand your help, and it's like, you're the one that fucked up your environment, dude. This isn't my problem. Anyway, cooldown. Launches or terminates instances due to simple scaling. Cooldown period takes effect. The cooldown period helps ensure that the auto scaling period does not launch or terminate more instances than are needed. Before the effects of previous. Okay, I don't really care about that. Grace period. Beyond lifecycle hook, the health check grace period does not start until the lifecycle hook action is complete. Oh. Okay, cool. So I can use this actually to get rid of the grace period. Interesting. Lifecycle hooks with spondances. However, lifecycle hook does not prevent an instance from terminating in the event the capacity is no longer available. Okay, so spondances is, yeah. Lifecycle hook availability. Instance terminating. Why did they bother with this chart, chat? There's literally a checkbox in all of the boxes. Why did they do this? Everyone is based on Gen 2, except it's a lot easier. Oh, I see. I see. Yeah. We need a hand around the tip jar to get Anthony to make PyEnv better. Yeah, you'd have to pay me a decent amount to make PyEnv better. Actually, you know, it wouldn't be that hard. It wouldn't be that hard. Honestly, all you would need to do is try and import like SQLite, SSL, C types. What's the other one that's a real fucking pain in the ass? tkinter sometimes, but not really. And GDB, libgdbm. You'd need to just import those 4 modules, and my life would be so much better. Like if it tried to import those and they failed to import and it crashed and deleted the install, that would make it so much better. But instead it allows you to build a Python that doesn't have those modules. Then you're just good luck, have fun, you know? Love your hot takes. I don't even think this is a hot take. I think this is a medium warm take. I've been using PyEnv, and so far I guess I haven't been lucky. I guess so, or you don't know that you're broken. Vettel says looks professional. Oh yeah. Dr. Cheese Weasel says, is there an API that translates AWS billing into English? Yeah, upward trending chart, right? uh, okay, so and for notifications, you can customize. I don't think I need any of those. Adding lifecycle hooks console. I don't want to do the console. I want to do the CLI. Okay, so I did that already. Perform an action on scale in. Okay, this is the one that I did. I didn't do this one. I did this one. Receive notifications using SNS or SQS. I don't want that. Complete a lifecycle hook custom action. When an autoscaling group responds to a scale out or scale in event, it puts the instance in a wait state. Okay. Receiving a notification can perform a custom action while the instance is in a wait state. If you need more time to complete the custom action, use that. Yeah, I don't care. Yes, this is how you respond to it, I guess. Oh, why haven't you told me how to run commands? That's the most basic thing. I want that. Location specify additional information they need. Include anytime that EC2 autoscaling sends a message to the notification target. Okay. I wonder if I just look through all of the auto-scaling resources, if I find the answer here. Auto-scaling notification? Each of the notifications map to a notification configuration inside website, I guess. This attaches it to an SNS. Where is the... Oh, and then something is gonna schedule or attach to SNS? I just want a good example of, where is it? This one. Create a script that runs on the instance as the instance starts. How do I do that? Except I want it for stop, not start. What about ASDF manages multiple runtime versions with a single CLI tool? I've not used ASDF, so I don't know anything about it. Venel says, when can I become your and Juice's certified financial advisor? Wait, what are you financially advising? Is it buy GME and hold? um. Okay, let's Google. Let's Google some more then. Circle CI blog. Sounds good. Uh, AWS SSM. I guess I am supposed to use a Lambda? AWS SSM. What is SSM? So I need to install this thing, I guess? It says it's pre-installed on 2004. Really? Hmm. Somehow I don't think this is true. Oh, Snap. I don't want to do it, Snap. No, not Snap. Fuck Snap. No. Snaps are stupid. No. Oh, there's Deb, though. Amazon SSM agent. Okay, so presumably I need an SSM agent in order to do stuff here, I guess. I told you to buy SNDL, and I told Juice to get off GME and buy undervalued bonds. This is H alternative. Oh, is that what SSM is? I missed the start. What are you trying to do with the hook? So I'm trying to gracefully turn off the queue worker. On scale down so that I can enable auto scaling. Sounds like System Center Configuration Manager. Perkinji says, hi, are you learning message broking with AGS tools? What? I don't know what that is. It says, I mainly deal with the debt market. Bonds are where it's at in times of financial stress. B. Jingle Your Bell says, sir, please be careful of inputting sensitive info like password with your webcam on the keyboard. Yeah, trust me, I know, Jingling Your Bells. 100% no. That's why I'm very careful about it. I know there's a keyboard cam. I've been doing this for a while. Don't worry, he uses a bad password. Yeah. She calls me a boomer investor. Might be correct. Let's see. Maybe check parameter store on a scheduled basis. Check what? What are you talking about, Polymathic Man? Instead of using SSM? SSM lets you execute scripts on the instance as well as manages SSH connections. Logs everything in an S3 bucket. I once found my plain text password at work in a bucket. Oh, well, that's not good. You know what I could do instead is just have a little thing which spins and searches for the state of the instance, but that seems like maybe not the best way to do this. Okay, so I probably need to add SSM agent. If you're unable to download the agent from the region you specify. Why does it say EC2 downloads Windows and then says Debian? Note that even though these following URLs show EC2 downloads Windows, they are the correct URLs for Linux. That's funny. System manager has a config state manager called parameter store. Welcome back, Juicebox. Oh yeah, Mensa had a bunch of plain text passwords. I saw that. I saw that. I thought it was pretty funny. Juice is back. It's true. It's true. I don't want to install Snap, so I guess we could download from you're using 2004. We recommend you only use snaps. No, snaps are stupid. I don't want to use snap. Well, presumably I can just download this deb. So let's try that. I even add this to okay, SSM agent is running. And consuming 4% of the RAM. Great. Okay, so presumably that's how I can add that. AS passwords are running on Windows servers but have virtual Debian machines. I don't know. So you can have value in there that you change as an admin flag instead of starting and stopping the service. I think I need to interrupt the service. That's the thing. Like, it could be partway through a run and I want it to, you know, reschedule that run on a different host as this one goes down. The other idea is I put a little thing, I write a file on the box. Yeah, I think actually, like I wanted to gracefully shut down. I guess I don't have to interrupt. I could just say, like, you know, when how would I do that? I could have a signal. I can have a signal. I still need to write something in the box, I think, one way or another. I don't really want to add another data store just for this. Parameter store, though. What is parameter store? Parameter store, yes. So I could just store a piece of data that's like terminating true or something in there, and then read that from my service, and then stop when that's done. I think that would maybe work. So then we would have. It's paid time, chat. We would have. Have a scale-in event, which goes to SNS, which goes to lambda, which writes to. I did that wrong. Which writes to instance metadata, or whatever it's called. What was it? Parameter storage. And then have the ASG read for that. And then stop the instance and terminate the box on shutdown. Yeah, that might work. Might work. I think I still need SSM for that though, right? Wait, what financial advice? So you want me to not buy more GME? But GME is having a fire sale? Wait, what does it look like right now? Oh man, it's cheap right now. Wait, Vettel, you're saying don't buy GMA, but you're buying Nokia? How is that not the same? Hey, what's up, the Devil Kid? No level up. Check every X minutes at the end of the run. Yeah, that's probably what I would do. What needs to happen other than a term in the power down? So, if it already has, if it's partway through, right now what happens? Right now what happens is it's partway through a run and it gets a terminate signal. It'll just drop that run on the floor and then something will pick it up like 5 minutes later. So if you're super unlucky and your run is in the middle of a scale up or scale down, it will add 5 minutes to your run, which is pretty bad. And I want to avoid that 5 minutes. That way I can scale up and down and just be fine with it. Yeah, I am using SQS. So like it's handled by retries and stuff. Like it's mostly just like I don't want it to drop that event on the floor. You know? And it's not completely dropped on the floor. Like there's five attempts to redo it, so it would still work. But yeah. Change the heartbeat interval and time to re-inject. Yeah, the thing is, like, I need to know. Actually, I don't even need to know. I don't even need to put anything in parameter store. I just need to know. I need to be able to query my own instance state. Query own instance state. Yes. How do you say your? How do you look at your own instance state? Describe instance status. How do I know my own instance ID is the problem, I guess. It's the host name, right? Get own instance status. I know you can. Hey, what's up? What Defog? Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I guess we can just try some stuff. Install US Clay. Metadata URL. Oh, can you get it from metadata? You're unauthorized to perform this. Hey, what's up, Catherine? Hello, hello. So that's all of the instances. But this doesn't tell me the state of it. Yeah, I have visibility timeout. That part all works. The thing is, like, my visibility timeout is like 5 minutes because that's about how long a run takes. And if it shuts down in the middle of that 5 minutes, you wait another 5 minutes before it requeues. So what I'm trying to avoid is having a scale up or scale down make someone's run 5 minutes slower when it could be not slower at all, or just 5 seconds slower. You know? And there's a metadata endpoint you can hit. Yeah, I know about this endpoint. That's how I get the AMI ID, or instance ID. So that's the instance ID. Instance lifecycle. On demand. I don't need dash. I can leave that out. It's not what I want, right? Instance action. None. Yeah, I've used the metadata API before. Little amount with how much Anthong makes on Twitch could be a big number, though. Good. Managing risk is important. If you want to gamble, collectibles are good. I buy a bunch of sealed MTG boxes. Limiting gambling is such a first world problem. Okay, I think this instance action might be what we want. Maybe? Or instance lifecycle, something like that. Yeah, like I wonder if the metadata API allows me to read this, right? Dennis Mayshell says, should I learn Haskell? Should you learn you a Haskell? I don't know. I don't know any Haskell myself, so I don't know whether it's worth learning or not. What the fuck is savings? What the fuck is investments? Yeah, exactly. First world problems. What the fuck is a working government is what you should be asking yourself. Yeah. Or you can capture the sig term and send change message visibility to 0 before exiting. Yeah, that's exactly what I do right now. That already happens. But we need something to send that sig term. Nothing is currently sending that sig term. It's just getting dropped on the floor. As far as I can tell. Let me show you that. Scripts. Runner worker. That's already happening here. So on exception, it's so this is what happens when a normal error happens. A normal error, it prints the trace back and requeues with a 5-second delay. On base exception, this is what happens when the script is supposed to be exiting either by keyboard interrupt, which is the termination signal I'm using for my thing, or system exit. It will requeue. So like this is already set up. The thing is, the service doesn't get sigterm or sigint on shutdown. The box is just turned the fuck off. So, yeah, I don't know. I have all my money in Pogs, mainly slammers. But yeah, I know entirely about changed message visibility. Like I already have all that set up. It's basically just like telling it to do the right thing. I wonder if it's instance action. Yeah, maybe. Like this says none right now, so I wonder. I guess we can put a box into that state and see what happens. I guess. Is it running as a proper service? Yeah, it's a systemd service. Then it has the right shutdown signal. I just I know that it doesn't go through this while it shuts down because I've shut it down and turned it back on, and there's no logs for this. It just hard shuts it. Okay, so let's add a lifecycle hook and just run it, I guess. So let's add this particular hook to this auto scaling group, and we'll set the heartbeat timeout to something large. That way we can interrogate the metadata service while we terminate it, I guess. So we want AWS EC2 add AWS auto scaling, put lifecycle hook. Yeah. Let's look at this. Okay, so we need lifecycle hook name testing auto scaling group name runner lifecycle transition auto scaling EC2 instance terminating default result continue heartbeat timeout. Let's set it to 900. Yeah, let's do that. I will delete this later. Okay, so does it describe lifecycle hooks? Oh, wait. Describe. Auto scaling group name runner. Okay, cool. So we have this here. None of this world marbles. Oh man, I collected everything as a kid. I had marbles, I had coins, I had pencil erasers, I had rocks. God, what else did I collect? Whatever I could, basically. Pokemon cards. Yeah, I loved collecting stuff. And I probably still love collecting stuff, but I've learned to hold back on that a little bit. I remember collecting all the Burger King kind Batman pogs when I was a kid. I ate so many BK tendies. Oh no. Did you just say tendies? Juice? Oh no. Oh no. Actually, interesting question as to what percentage of Americans have money in the stock market compared to Europe? Probably larger in America, but I would imagine, but I don't actually have a clue. Yeah, I don't know. Stocks go up forever. Put money in there, it goes up. I mean, that's kind of true with like index funds and stuff. Yeah. J Pratt says, going to read and prep for the interview. I hope everyone enjoys the stream. Well, thank you for stopping by, J Pratt. Always good to see you. Juice says even worse. Wait, what? What's even worse? Oh no. Oh no. Should I show chat this? Should I show chat this? You don't have a choice. It's too late now. Juice had tendies for dinner. Hey, what's up, Boris? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Hey, what's up, Goomback? Good to see you. How are you doing? Okay, so we have this lifecycle hook. in theory, if I terminate this instance, then we should be able to see its state there. Where is it? Instance ID. There we go. Terminate instance ID, this thing. Terminate instances. So that means it's probably instance IDs. Okay. It just shut down. Oh, because it's probably not going through a scale event. It's probably just killing it. Fuck. Okay, well we have to wait for the next one to start up, I guess. God damn it. It's a Baho. Hello, hello. Good to see you. So now we wait a minute or so for this one to get a public IP. I guess I can use watch. That was not what I had intended. I refuse your connection. Yeah, it's true. I think what I need to do is scale down to 0. And that will cause it to go through the life cycle transition. Instead of just straight up killing it. I'm so glad you didn't pronounce Baho like you scream, Aho! Aho! Like, Baho! Aho! Like that, G? Love me tendies, love those treats, never let them go. Is that a thing that I just don't know? Oh my god, why are you taking so long? I ran the wrong command. Now I wait. So how are you doing, chat? Actually, I should go fill up my water. While this reboots, I'll go fill up my water. I will be right back. Hello, I'm back, and it has an IP, so I'm gonna SSH into this now. Ubuntu at this, which means I need to grab the metadata URL again. Okay, so we're betting that it's instance action, right? I'll put echo at the end. That's what we're betting. Elvis song. Oh, I see. Haven't had tenders since like high school. I feel like it's a very Western thing. Adult versions of kids' food. Shaz says, bye chat, gotta go do some electromagnetism or some shit. Well, thank you for stopping by, Shaz. Good luck with that fucking right-hand rule, buddy. I'll see you around. Best Speaker says, head to bed. Wasn't very chatty today. Working on a hackathon project. See you Friday. Well, thank you for stopping by. Do you not approve of the right-hand rule, Shaz Robot? Here's a tech workbench. Thank you for the follow. Oh, and MDCD CDI, which is what? 15, 16. Then 50. Oh, I don't even fucking know what year that is. Some year. Thank you for the follow. Welcome. Okay, so I think if I scale down, I should get a scale it event here instead of it just terminating. I think. Auto scaling help. Set desired. Yeah. Set desired capacity, auto scaling, group name, runner. Desired capacity 0. Please no terminate. Okay, it didn't terminate, so that's good. But it's not instance action. It is maybe instance life cycle? No. Oh no. No. It's probably not instance type either. That's probably T2 micro. Shit. Okay, well, it's clearly not that then. But we can get the instance ID, right? And then we can, in theory, query this. alias cc2 describe instance. Instance ID this. Describe instances. And that means it's instance IDs. Oh, it did it fine. So there's all sorts of shit in here. What do you mean? Should be in terminating wait or whatever. What? Did that command fail and I just missed it? Size, max size, desired capacity 0. I wonder if it's in the cooldown period and that's why it's not scaling down. Maybe it hasn't triggered the scale down yet. What's in /events? I don't know. Maintenance. History. Nothing. Scheduled. Nothing. Let's actually open this up in the console. See if maybe it is during the cooldown and that's why it hasn't scaled it down yet. which means we have like several minutes to get to it before it dies. Dev. Dev. MFA. Dev. I don't know why I did off screen. You can see the token as I type it. Not really a big deal either. Okay, EC2 instances is running. Must be in cooldown then. I'm scaling groups. 2? Updating capacity. What do you mean 2? I don't want the launch template. Why did I click on the launch template? Auto scaling group. This is what I want to click on. Desired 0. Must be this cooldown. At 22:27, that's 4 minutes ago. Desired capacity from 1 to 0. An instance was taken out of service to respond to an actual stringing from 1 to 0. 0505 was set for... Yeah, that's this one. Oops, that's not what I wanted. I want instance what? How do I know whether it's in this state or not? Ugh. Instance states. So it's in... Well, it's running right now, which doesn't say in service. How do I query this? Yes, EC2 help. Describe instance status? Well, it hasn't terminated it yet, so that's something. It says, I don't really enjoy this. It's quite a bummer for me again this summer without any CS classes. I'm waiting to hear if I get into the 4 years I applied to in like 2 months. And then I get to do upper division CS, which I'm really excited for. This stuff just isn't really interesting to me. Yeah, it makes sense. Makes sense. Rant away, not a novel. Hashtag sport. Hashtag nothing but love. Hashtag Gen X overusing hashtags. Hey, what's up, was the clutch? Hello. Seder shit looks so complicated, I don't even have an idea where I would begin to start learning. Yeah. Yeah. I was just hoping that this instance action was what I wanted, but it seems like it isn't. Also, I wish these had trailing new lines because it's clearly a plain text API. Seems not useful. Yeah. It's a Bruce boy. Hello. Boris says, what are you writing? What for are you writing code? You can do bang today and learn about what I'm working on. I already did the first thing. So right now we're working on scale out. Or trying to, because it's a little weird. Selected for termination. So wait, we'd have to wait 5 minutes between this, so 29. Oh, it's definitely passed. We're at like 35 now. So this instance is dead man walking. But how can I find that it is? How do I know that? Where do I look in instances? Like, it must have this information somewhere. Like it's in termination pending, surely, right? How do I find that information? Not security, probably not networking, probably not storage, status checks, monitoring, excuse me, graphs, tags. I don't know, chat. I don't know how I'm supposed to know this. Either certification course or personal itch to scratch. Like, I have a thought on getting all of the saves, bookmarks, etc. into one place from all the APIs like Twitter or Reddit. Force says, are you wanting to accomplish dynamic auto-scaling? You can install Prometheus and alert. No. I don't need Prometheus or Jenkins to do this at all, ever. I'm just trying, right now what I'm trying to do is make scale down safe. Right now, scale down is not safe. It can drop an event on the floor and cause it to delay the job by 5 minutes, and I don't want it to delay it by 5 minutes. I want it to just complete the current action and then shut down. And the way to do that in AWS is by putting things by using a scale down action, or a scale in action. Scale down is what I'm going to call it. Which we have somewhere in here. Yeah, scale in. So we get this EC2 terminating instance. But I don't know how to find this information from the API. Like, if I could query this information, no, I set it to 0 because I want it to scale down so that I'm trying to test this. If it's currently in the state that I want to, but I want to find some API that tells me it's in that state so that I can use that to write code against it. I know I eventually want to set the minimum to 1. Like, I don't want it to actually scale to 0. But in order to test the scale down, I need to do this. It's a software problem. It's not the actual configuration problem. But I don't know how to query its current state. Because this says running, which it should be in like terminating, but it's not. And if we do describe instances and look through the whole thing here, I will read every single key, and I don't think any of them are relevant to what we want. So, community instance, yeah, key name, monitoring, disable placement, yeah, private DNS, IP, product code, public, state running. So also not helpful there. State transition reason. I would think there would be something here, but there isn't. Volumes. Hypervisor. Network interfaces, don't care about that. Security groups. Tags, don't care about that either. Virtualization. Yeah. Nothing in here. What if you need to interrogate the ASG events instead of the instance itself? Maybe. What does the console of the terminated instance say? Were you logged out of SH because it shut down cleanly or because it powered off? It just powered off. At least that's what it was before, so I don't think that's changed at all. Yeah, it just says terminated, which is not a shutdown. It just cuts it off. Yeah. So none of the systemd services are shutting down. Correct. Correct. It just chops their heads off. The whole thing I'm trying to fix. But yeah, I guess we could look at auto-scaling groups. See if there's anything in here. I don't think so, because we just scrolled through all of this. Oh, no we didn't. We just got to the activity tab and saw this here. Nope. Yeah, here's the lifecycle hook. Which we have 15 minutes, which expires pretty soon. 2004? Yeah. Yeah, I know how auto-scaling works, Borsk. I'm not stupid. Like... No shit, you increase an ASG, it makes new instances. You decrease an ASG, it deletes instances. Yeah, that's the whole point of auto-scaling groups. I'm not hung up on that at all. I'm hung up on making it scale down and having a software action happen as it scales down so that I can clean up the instance before it's done. There's a lot of stuff that tells me to use SSM, but I'm trying to use something simpler than SSM because I think SSM is a little bit overkill for what I am trying to do. Describe auto-scaling instances. Is that maybe what I want? Describe auto-scaling instances. AWS auto-scaling. Describe auto-scaling instances. Auto-scaling group. Name runner. Okay. And see the timeout expired. This is the 15 minutes expiring. Oh shit! There we go. That's what we want. That has the well, now it's dead. Now we gotta start another one. Auto scaling. Set desired capacity. Auto scaling group name. Runner desired capacity 1, so it'll scale up an instance while stage back in, then we'll scale it down. In theory, we can use this elbow. And we can specify instance ID here. Then we can query ourselves from this. Figure out whether we need to shut down. What's up, Shell Coding? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Thank you, m2dev.net. This is helpful. So yeah, we can use this to... Oh, did we already get a host? That was quick. That was quick. I wonder what the API limits of this endpoint are. Presumably, well, let's see, I would have n hosts and query this every 20 seconds or so. Well, minimum 20 seconds. It could be more. Actually, it could be less if a run completes in less than 20 seconds. But yeah, this has the information that I want. So we do this again. Should see life cycle state. Yeah. Query life cycle state AWS metadata. Yeah, you would think it would be an instance lifecycle. You would think that would be the right thing there. I need to close some tabs. What's in your system D for that process? System D services. Oh, I don't have nano. System. This is what the service looks like. Yeah, not that complicated, but glad I can help instead of just spamming links. Oh, and your link was helpful. I wonder what else has this lifecycle state though. Like if there's a more specific API for this. Because I could do, you know, instance IDs equals whatever. Like now that actually queried. Okay, so we're going to need complete lifecycle action, permission, and we're going to need querying of this. If you run a systemd service and it exits 0, what does it do? Does it try and run it again? Does after wait for another service to be active before launching this one? Yeah, that's what this does here. Forrest says, how did you achieve to have pre-commit working Python faster than drone Golang? What are you talking about? Is drone a CI system? The program. Oh my god. Borsk. I get the feeling that you're trying to be helpful, but you're coming across as not. You're coming across as a language fanboy. And let me explain something to you. The difference in execution speed between Python and Go is not significant when you're talking about, you know, in the context of network requests, spinning up containers, running subprocesses, and other stuff like that. The execution speed of the programming language makes no fucking difference there at all. You're really worrying about, like, you know, how much network bandwidth you have, what resources you have available at the moment, like what, you know, processors and machines are available. You're worrying about, like, whether your system can scale to that particular workload, like what stuff you have available in cache, like all those other stuff. Like whether the actual application is implemented in Python or Go doesn't fucking matter at all for this at all. I also don't have comparisons for drone. Like I haven't listed drone on the thing here because I couldn't fucking figure out how to configure it because it's you know, it was not easy to set up, so I didn't bother setting it up. If you want to set up drone and add it to this comparison chart, like feel free. You can click through to this and, you know, send a pull request here to hook up drone. But I don't know how to use drone, so I didn't set it up. But if you want the answer for like why it is so fast or why it is faster than these other ones, is it, you know, has a lot of optimizations that are very specific to the software that it's running. It cuts out a lot of the bullshit that other CI providers do as well. So like, for instance, you know, Azure Pipelines has a whole, you know, C# scheduling stack between the you know, the event send and the actual execution, and it has to spin up a VM to do that. I mean, GitHub Actions is essentially the same as, so any noise between these two here is just noise. Like these are the same front end or same back end, different front ends. So like these should be about the same. But yeah, pre-commit CI is designed to like start these jobs almost instantly, and, you know, have all the resources available locally so that it can just zoom. And I've spent quite a lot of time optimizing for that, and that's why it's so fast. What's up, Ruby Knight? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. But yeah, because it's implemented in Python, it doesn't really matter. It's not doing anything that... It's not CPU bound, we'll put it that way. Where, you know, writing in a more CPU performant language would be faster. Moscow says, I almost have enough bits to make you review my code and give you nightmares. Oh no. Why Python have the slow, Anthony? What is 1F643? Oh, that's the upside down space. That's one of the 4 that I have, or one of the 2 that I have memorized. Yes. Upside down face. Okay, so let's give this role the ability to query. Well, it needs what? It needs describe auto-scaling instances. Yeah. Oh. Alright, we're gonna close some tabs. We have to close some tabs. Too many tabs. Too many tabs. Tabs go bye-bye. Goodbye, tabs. Describe auto-scaling instances. We gotta add this permission to that role. Let's try that. So describe auto scaling instances. We also want auto scaling. What's the other one? Continue something or another. Continue lifecycle action. Continue lifecycle or complete lifecycle action. Complete lifecycle action. And we need that on resources. AWS auto scaling group. I think it's auto scaling. I don't know. Let's tee up plan, see what happens. It's my go-to for you're being an idiot and I don't want to argue emoji. That's pretty good one, RKJ. I like that one. That's why it's one of my 2 that I memorized. It's 2603, which is the snowman, and 1F643, which is upside down smiley face. William, how's it going? Hello, hello. Pray for Devin says, could I ask one of you kind fellers a question? Bang question. Only the ladies are smart enough for JavaScript. There you go, Polymathic Man. Stamp out that misogynism. Async await has me dying inside. If you understand futures... Oh, did I tried to tap complete? I'm a dummy. There we go. Yeah, what's your problem with async await? Async await. Why did I say that weird? Async await. Async await, async await. Go paste for me. Okay. You have this code here. Get item returns a promise containing the stored data. How do I store the value of get item in storage and not in promise? Async storage. I don't know what async storage is. But I think, you know, you've called then. So the promise should be resolved at that point, right? I mean, you could just put await in front of this instead of the dot then, I think, if you're in an async function. I think. Why am I waiting for my sync? It's your sync, DomDF coding. I thought it was my sync. It's just async. It's a person's sync. Okay, this looks good though. So let me make this into a branch. But if it's a promise, you can convert it into scalar by calling await on it, usually. So often the answer is just throw await at the problem until it works. Termination actions. Okay, let's delete that. So we need to delete AS auto scaling describe life cycle hooks. Or no. Delete life cycle hook. Lifecycle hook name testing auto scaling group name runner. That should be empty now. Okay, cool. All right, and lifecycle hook for runner ASG. What Terraform version are you running with? Says Jingling Your Bells. The latest, I think. Oh. I thought I just upgraded. Oh, did I not run my Puppet? I might have updated my other computer. Oh, I'm running 0.13.5. What changed in 0.14? I guess we could upgrade that. Could be a thing we do. Fortunately, I have left myself a link here. I like how they're already on 0.14.5 and I'm on 0.13.5. Okay, so we want this. We just need to checksum it, I assume. Yeah. If they list the checksums on that page, that'd be better than me doing it manually. Hey, what's up? Echo937481. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Yeah, there's a list of checksums here. Oops, I didn't mean to click on your Twitch name. So we want the Linux AMD 64. So we can do that. And then this. That should update Terraform. And I type in my bad password. Oh no, he typed his password on stream with a keyboard cam. Yeah, it's bad password. I intentionally pick a bad password for this computer. After throwing await all over the place, you notice that the code is really sequential and does not need asynchronicity, but used async await for the lols. Yeah, that's also pretty true, Koros. Blue was taken. How's it going? Welcome back. Okay, so now Terraform help. Perhaps an exec stop. So there's stop signal, which already does what it should need to do. Stop signal is the intended way to do that instead of exec stop. Okay, so Terraform version 0.14.5. Let's see if this plans properly. It should complain about it being the wrong version, right? Oh, it's gonna do a remote plan. Hey, what's up, Sarcastic Dante? Hello. Good to see you. Empty DevNet says, gotta head out. Hopefully get it working. See you Friday. Sounds good. I'll see you around. Thank you for stopping by. What changed in 0.14? Like, why big change? What do I have to update? Enhancements, blah, 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 blah. 14.0 features. The O.13 upgrade subcommand is gone. Is there an O.14 subcommand? Should I do that? I think we can just leave it. I think it's fine. Upgrade Terraform. Alrighty then. Okay, so we push that branch up. I think so. I want to. So the way you're supposed to do this is you're supposed to make a pull request, then merge it, then run it. At least that's how Terraform Cloud is set up. What? Why are you showing no diff? Oh, because there is no diff. Wait, I could have sworn I pushed this. Guess not. Guess now it should compare. Okay, so the way you're supposed to do this is create a pull request, it will plan it for you, and then you merge it to master and then apply it. But I want to find a way to run it in dev manually. Oh, I gotta log in here. I need the two-factor. Okay. Yeah, so this is the plans. I think I can do cube. How do I make plan? Oh, this is just gonna queue master. How do I queue a particular revision? I mean, otherwise I just merge it and then revert it if it's not good. I just want to be able to test it. No YOLO. Yeah, this doesn't let you YOLO, unfortunately. As far as I understand. I want to just be able to queue from a particular revision, not from master. I don't know how to do that though. I don't know. I guess we'll just merge it then. YOLO. Okay, so now that we merged that, we need to go to Terraform. And grab this. What are you? What are you, notification? Oh. Don't you love when people self-merge master into branches? Tweaks. Solid commit message there. Fucking sloppy. Fucking sloppy. This is gonna error if it gets stale apt metadata. Anyway, this change looks fine. It's just sloppy. Fail fast false. Interesting. Anyway. Okay, so this is prod. We don't want to confirm prod. We want to run dev. I'll run prod later if this is correct. And then we'll write code. We'll write more code. I also am time boxed today, so I only have like 40 more minutes that I can stream today. Must be an ARN format. This is why this is kind of annoying. I wish it did better, should be .arn. Yeah, of course. It could have validated that earlier, right? Use ARN for ASG resource. Oh, I see. TF plan. Is this gonna work? Because the remote is... I guess I need to do greater than or equal to 14 now? Hey, what's up, Peter Healy? Hello, hello. I guess fail fast generates as many split rooms as black does. Eh. Yeah, I mean, I just think the default is fine. Okay, I guess it's okay with that. Cool. What am I working on? If you do Bang today, Peter Healy, you can learn more about what I'm working on, but I'm trying to set up scale down, graceful scale down for my auto scaling group. Stop calling apt update in actions because it would consistently error out. Huh. Update or upgrade? Because I could see upgrade erroring out, but update is supposed to be pretty consistent. Okay, so I should probably do this in a separate patch. Get reset, roll runner, get diff, roll runner. Patch. Do they ever fix the apt issues in GHA? Presumably? I don't know. I don't really use apt and get it back. I guess I do use it in one case. Get commit -m tf reform fimped. Gets fimped, right? Yeah. Get apply patch. Use ARN for ASG resource. Push that up. That errored, so I gotta do the next run. Should be this one. Good. Start downloading my. Oh yeah. So one that isn't really a GitHub Actions fault, except I guess they configured that default. Oh, I remember that. Oh, what was it? It was some mirror that was broken. Okay, let's try this again. This is just making sure this is dev. Yep, confirm. Okay, that succeeded. So now, in theory, I should be able to do... be able to get the instance ID from this. I'm just going to try this with AWS first, and then we'll write the actual Python code for it. Bootstrap.py.pa.io. Ask Clyde, that's not what we want. Okay, so then we want to do AWS auto scaling, describe auto scaling instances. Instance IDs is this. Region US East 1. Render is not authorized to perform this. Did I typo this? That looks exactly the same. Oh man. Knife after and requires for the same service in one service file. I think so. That's what I have in mine. System D service system. Hey, what's up? DKTRA, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I guess it's wants. I don't know what requires is. I don't know. I don't know the answer there. Presumably yes. So what the fuck? Why don't I have permission for that? What permission do I need for this? AWS auto scaling IAM actions. Describe auto scaling instances. Yeah, we have that. Hi. Runner is not authorized to perform auto scaling. Describe. Oh god, I fucking hate this shit. Why not? Auto scaling. Let's try it. I mean, I can try it with the root account over here. Yeah, so that works fine. How do I know what action I need? Do you do Java? I have written some Java. Iron or a Twitch. Twitch spelled interestingly. I wonder if I need some other permission to do this. What IAM permissions do I need for this? I could try this. Let's search for this. Oh. Oh no. No answers. No answers. Oh no. Well, that's always a tragedy. Once is a lesser requires, whereas if the desired unit fails once, won't cause your unit to fail. Requires will cause your unit to fail if desired. Oh, I see. Oh, you guys both put the same thing. Nice. What do I want for a worker where the message broker is a database? I don't know. Oh no, other people have the same issue, but not the answer. I wonder what happens. I guess we could just fuck around with the role in the console and see what we can get from that. Like, I'll see if I add star, if that fixes it. We want I am. Picking the right role for this is always a real pain in the butt. Roll. Runner. Policy name. Policy summary. Auto scaling right. Okay, so it didn't take the other one. So we need to just find the right action. The action does not support resource level permissions. This requires a wild card for the resource. Okay, so that's actually helpful. It told me what I did wrong. Okay. What's up, Warks? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Okay, so let's fix that, I guess. Roll runner. So we have to take this. Actions equals that. Resources equals star. It's gotta be double quote, because that's how that works. Well, describe auto scaling instances on star. Only way it works. As described in the this is what the console describes as the solution. I will try that. Alrighty then, we gotta terraform again. Choose this one. Interesting that it uses 0.13.5 here. Probably tell it to use 14, maybe? I don't know. Please work, please, please, please. Let's try that command again. Oh, yes. Okay. All right. So now let us scale down, and I should be able to run the other command. Mr. G says, "Why is your keyboard split in two?" There's a video in that command that Summersoft just linked. where I go over the details of that. Okay, so this is good. This is good. This is very good. Very good. Set. Nope, not in that tab. Set. Here we go. Okay, so if we set it to 0, I should then be able to run AWS auto scaling complete lifecycle action. Okay, so this should now say, come on, go from in service to not. What are you doing? Okay, terminating wait. Okay, good. So now it's in terminating wait. Why did it take so long? I don't know. Okay, so now I should be able to do AWS auto scaling complete life cycle action. Right, because this sucks. Life cycle hook name. Oh, I don't remember this hook name. Wait, why did it die already? Oh, because I set the timeout so quickly. Okay, so we gotta adjust that timeout. Set it to 1. Okay, heartbeat. Let's set it to 10 minutes. Kind of a lot, but that should give it enough time to shut down. Increase, shut down, timeout. We do it again. Dennis Maciel says, how do you like this sort of DevOps work? It's kind of fun. I'm really happy that I've automated everything that I've automated, because, oh my god, not automating this would have been a pain in the ass. In a sec. Cool. I was just double checking. Looks fixed. Someone that I reported a security vulnerability to, and I think they're also not going to pay me, but you know, way things go. 30 to 600 looks good. Confirm, and now we try this again, and hopefully don't miss the boat like I just did. Okay. All right. Oh, and it's already up. Look at that. That was fast? Yeah, these machines boot pretty quickly. The AMI is super small, and yeah, mostly the AMI is small. And there's no startup operations. It doesn't perform anything on startup, so it's easy to scale them up and scale them down. Part of how I designed it. Stigs was taken. Thank you for the gift sub to Negazeus. Appreciate your support and welcome back. Stigs was taken. Haven't seen you in a while. And there's your button. But how are you doing today? Okay. AWS auto scaling. Describe auto scaling instances. Be brave. Show us your git log -- reverse. This time frog on here. Why is there's nothing brave about this? What would be brave here, time frog? I've been working on this since July. What's the bravery here? Zach, Linus, What is this? You found me on Twitch clips. I see. I have 60 total clips. I have way more than 60 clips. I have 1,600 clip views. Cool. In July? I mean, I'm pretty good about my commit history. Stig says, added pre-commit for the first time to a project last night. I'm so happy. Thank you for all your hard work on this and a myriad of other projects. Well, I'm glad you really like it. That's awesome. Looks like you're keeping it clean. Yeah, I'm pretty good about my commits. I appreciate a good commit message, so that's why they're decent. Okay. So region US East 1. So we know we can get the instance ID from the metadata service. Then we know that we can describe using this. And so we can see the state here. And so if we scale down, we should be able to see this go from in-service to terminating wait. Yeah, and then we should be able to do AWS auto scaling, complete lifecycle action, instance ID. Actually, we need lifecycle. Actually, we did this last time and it just told me it was wrong. Lifecycle hook name. I gotta get that from Terraform. I'm a bit on the clock here. It's called runner terminate. Runner terminate. And we need what else? What else? What else? What else? What else? What else? Where is that? Error. Auto scaling group name runner lifecycle action results. What is that supposed to be? Auto scaling complete lifecycle action. We need instance ID also. Continue. Continue instance ID this, and then that should shut down the box. I have to ID region. West East 1. Yes. Okay. Okay. This is real cool. I'm excited. That's all working. So not tweaks? Yeah, I wouldn't just make git commit-m tweaks. Funny thing, there was this one engineer at Yelp that every single one of her commit messages was poop. Oh, there's another engineer at Yelp who every single one of his commit messages was literally just dash dash. Every single one. And whenever someone would ask him like, oh, so Will, what the fuck were you doing in this code here? And he'd be like, just fucking read the code, man. I don't have to explain shit, read the code. So, our little group of friends had a meme that, you know, anytime anything went wrong, it was, yeah, dash dash read the code, motherfucker. Oh man, that guy was such an asshole. What a dickhead. Okay, that's really cool. All right, so now we need to write the code that actually does this with Bodo. See if we have a host already. Nope, not yet. Oh, now we do. Oh, it's so quick to scale up. I'm really happy with that. Although it might not have SSHD running yet, so we might have to wait a little bit for that. But yeah. Okay, so runner worker. So we need to do something in here. We need to, so we have this loop here. It long pulls, then it runs, and then after it runs, we mark it completed, and then we need to do like if auto scaling dot terminating, then auto scaling dot mark done, and then return 0. So we basically need to say Actually, I don't know why this return 0 is here. Well, I guess... No, there's no way this loop can break. Oh, we also need to do it in here as well. Yeah. Hey, what's up, Ira Carvalho? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Let's actually do... is not none. Do this indented... Damn. Okay, so it's long polls. If we get an item, we do the queuing stuff. Otherwise, we print nothing to do, and then we check if we can terminate, and if we terminate, we do that. And I believe this code is dead, so I can delete that. Neil Sir says, I think I have my systemd stuff running now. Last time the worker startup failed multiple times as the database was not active yet. Now it seems to wait for it. Nice, awesome, that's awesome. Glad you got that working. Glad my my shitty stream helped that helped you find a solution to that. It's gonna say like thing unknown, which is fine because I haven't. Yeah, auto scaling not defined. Runner iFace we need to have, so it'd be at the top. Class auto scaling. Actually, we'll not capitalize this. This is my weird interfaces stuff. Terminating callable. Hey, what's up, Pobx? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Callable none, which returns bool. No args returns bool. And then, what did I say the thing was? 3 mark. I guess we want to call it. Let's use the same API name. Complete. Complete life cycle action. Actually, in this output, do we see what? No, we don't see the actual life cycle name. That's fine though. We can hard code it. We can hard code a little bit. It's fine. Complete life cycle action. Yes. Complete life cycle action, which is callable. No arguments. Returns none. Purely side effects. Auto scaling interfaces. Local. Auto scaling. We actually don't have any code for this. And a complete life cycle action. Lambda none. Yes, auto scaling dot terminating and complete life cycle action. Okay. Typo? Yeah, indeed. Thank you. Good catch there. Thanks. Appreciate that. And then down at the bottom, we gotta do auto scaling equals auto scaling interfaces f. And then runner impl alias auto scaling dot pi. Implement these two APIs. We need to go to 3 metadata client. How do I get the host metadata? Surely there's a thing for that. Photo utils get instance metadata. Wow, really? Really? Well, we can implement our own little bit of code in there, I guess. Import yourlib.request. Hey, what's up, Kronspark? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing fine. Get instance ID. We'll also cache this. Tools.lru cache max size equals 1. This should be stir. Oops. Yourlib.request. It's the endpoint that we want. Excuse me. Oh, come on. Here we go. Instance. Don't need a constant if we're only using it once. Read.decode.strip. Sick. Okay, so that's the first part. Then we need to implement the auto-scaling client. .3.client auto-scaling. The region's actually already set. What? You must specify a region. Is this a hacky way around this? Quargs. Great. Specify region in the 3 client. Region name. Fuck me. There we go. Client dot. What was it? Describe auto scaling instances. Auto scaling group name equals runner. Instance IDs equals get instance ID. Guess we don't need the group name. Sick. Okay. Do this. So we can grab the instance by doing instance comma equals this auto scaling instances. Then we want to get the lifecycle state. Turn instance lifecycle state is equal to terminating : wait. Okay. And then we need complete lifecycle action. Where is the call that I did to that? Here we go. Complete lifecycle action, which takes a bunch of parameters. We need lifecycle hook name equals runner terminate. Auto scaling group name equals runner. This should probably go first. Life cycle action result equals continue. And then instance ID equals, okay, instance ID. In theory, that'll work. No, my VBox client crashed with with segfaulted xsend event. Oh, I've seen that happen to me before. It happens to me whenever I hibernate my machine or whenever the screens go to sleep. Which is really annoying. So let's actually copy this into here, and then we will scale down and see if that works. Actually, what happens if we just run this right now? Validation error, no active lifecycle action. Okay, cool. All right, so now if we scale this down, the call is good though, I think. Now if we scale this down, set desired capacity to 0, and we run this after a few seconds. Not done yet. Actually, run the other one. Okay, terminating wait. Now I should be able to call this, and it should shut down the box. Nice. Okay. I think that's good then. I think that's the right code that we want. We need to import. Looking good. Gracefully shut down. Okay, so now we have to actually make sure this all works end to end. Which means we gotta erase a few things here. Hey, what's up, Angelinax? Hello, hello. Good to see you. Oh shoot. I actually don't have enough time to do this because I'm supposed to get on a call. So unfortunately, we don't get to see the payoff here. We'll have to see that next time. But anyway, we're very close. We have all the things kind of working, so that's good. Let me actually scale this back up so that when I do this later, I'm in less pain. My VM has been blowing up lately too, usually after some display flutters. I haven't even tried to figure out why. Yeah, the display stuff is kind of weird. Code Snake says, hi there from Portugal. Currently I'm studying for CCAD exam. What is CCAD? Certified Kubernetes Application Developer. I don't know if I can help you there. I mean, I know a lot of stuff about Kubernetes, but I know nothing about this certification. But good luck. There's a lot of stuff to know about Kubernetes, but I guess the basics aren't that bad. But anyway, I have to get off so that I can get on a call with a friend. So this will be the end of the stream. Let me do my little spiel, and then we'll send you off to another channel. My name is Anthony. I upload my previous content to YouTube. That's youtube.com/AnthonyWritesCode, where you can find educational videos as well as streams. And basically, I answer questions from chat in there. Hey, what's up, Pythonic Pie? Bye to you as well, and bye to you, Dr. Batman. Why are you not using Kubernetes for pre-commit.ci? Because I need fine-grained control over the containers runtime, and Kubernetes is hella overkill. I normally stream Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday, and I announce my streams in 2 places. One of those is twitter.com. Share the YouTube link. Yes, YouTube, Twitter, and Discord. Yeah, I announce my streams on Twitter as well as on Discord, so you can check that out. Join the Discord. It's a programmery Discord. We have a beginners channel if you want to ask questions, and a lot of people that are really smart that will answer them for you. I also announce streams there as well, so check that out. Well, there's also some good memes. Check out the memes too. But anyway, thank you all for stopping by, and let's go find someone to raid.